Volkswagen Polo engine misfire. What can cause it and how to fix it? Engine misfire occurs due to incomplete combustion of air-fuel mixture within one or more cylinders. In general, this happens due to improper spark plug firing and a disproportionate air-fuel ratio. But, occasionally, it indicates a serious engine problem. Listed below are a few reasons that can result in engine misfire in your car. Volkswagen Polo engine misfire. Most common causes: flaws in the ignition system. The ignition system is employed to make electrical sparks. The timing of spark generation is detrimental to engine operation. Improper spark plug firing due to flaws in the ignition system can result in engine misfire in your car. Reasons behind improper spark plug firing in a car are as below: bad coil pack, induction coil, worn out spark plug, electrical issues. Disproportionate air-fuel ratio. Ideal air-to-fuel ratio for a smooth engine operation is 14.7 to 1. A slight deviation in that ratio can result in engine misfire in your Volkswagen Polo. Reasons behind imbalanced air-fuel ratio within the cylinder are as below: malfunctioning fuel pump, clogged or leaking injectors, bad fuel lines, defective filter. Faults in the ECU and sensors. The ECU manages engine operation based on data received from multiple sensors. If it fails, your car engine might misfire and abruptly cease operation. Malfunctioning exhaust system. The exhaust system serves to collect and remove the byproducts of the combustion process. In addition to this, it maintains optimal back pressure. However, a leaking or clogged exhaust system won't be able to do its job properly. As a result of which, your car engine would run rough and misfire. Symptoms of engine misfiring in Volkswagen Polo. Listed below are a few recognizable signs of engine misfire in a car. Difficult to start the engine, flashing check engine light, low engine power, increased fuel consumption, emission of black exhaust smoke, strange engine noise and vibration. How to fix it? Well, if you're suspecting that your car engine is misfiring, don't waste time contemplating. Call your mechanic right away so that he can diagnose and fix the reason behind it. In conclusion, it's not safe to drive your car with a misfiring cylinder. It can damage your car engine beyond repair. Therefore, efforts should be made to diagnose and fix it ASAP.